The Mandelbrot set is generated by iterating a simple quadratic function. This process is then repeated for many complex numbers within a specified range with a given accuracy to produce an image of the set. But what exactly is happening here in detail? Let us start with a brief recap of complex numbers. A complex number is a number made up of two components, a real and an imaginary part. In some sense, a complex number is similar to a usual vector in two-dimensional space, but there are some differences regarding the notation and arithmetic operations when dealing with complex numbers. Addition works, for instance, analogously to vector addition, while multiplication follows a specific formula which is not necessary to understand this video. And according to Leonhard Euler, each complex number is also uniquely characterized by its angle and magnitude. Furthermore, the multiplication follows the simple and visual idea that when two complex numbers are multiplied, their angles are added together and their magnitudes are multiplied. The Mandelbrot set is computed through the generation of a specific sequence of complex numbers. The sequence starts always with z0 equal to 0. The other numbers in the sequence are then generated by the following recursive formula. Zn plus 1 is equal to Zn squared plus c. The complex number c is a number that can be chosen arbitrarily, and it is the number that controls the behavior of the sequence. To visualize the Mandelbrot set, we need a grid representing an image. We then select step by step a point that is a pixel from this grid as the point c in the sequence, and check if the sequence stays within a certain area. If the numbers in the sequence keep growing, then the number c is not considered a part of the Mandelbrot set and will be colored dark. Otherwise it will be colored white. In this manner we obtain this image of the Mandelbrot set, which becomes obviously clearer as we increase the resolution of the image. Furthermore, one can also adjust the transparency of each pixel depending on how quickly the sequence diverges from that point to infinity. So in summary, the Mandelbrot set consists of all points c for which the considered sequence stays bounded.